Kilonzo.
Yes.
I shall be submitting and aligning myself with the sentiments of my seniors. And mine will be to preempt what the state might rebut. The state shall stand up and tell you that this application before you today is a different application than that of Mavoko.
Your Honor, maybe you can get direction. I do not know why counsel is submitting on a presumption of what our reply would be. I would very humbly pray that the court directs that they present their objection without purporting to speak for the state.
I think, counsel, you will be well guided. Make your submission. The court will hear you. Yes, just proceed.
Therefore, the application that is before you similarly looks a little bit different from the one at Mavoko. But however, I will put it before this court that it is not so, bearing in mind that the application at Mavoko on the supporting affidavit, paragraph 4 to 8, the application reads.
You referred to which paragraphs?
From paragraph 4 to 8 of the supporting affidavit of the application of Mavoko.
Of the application from Mavoko?
Yeah, the one in Mavoko.
Do I have that application?
It is before you.
That is B494?
Yes, sir.
All right. You're referring to the supporting affidavit?
The supporting affidavit, paragraph 4.
All right.
The grounds they have listed for continued detention under paragraph 4 reads, under the circumstances which is actively under investigation by our homicide team based at the DCI headquarters Nairobi, who have so far arraigned 2 suspects before Milimani law courts to face charges of murder. And the application that is before you today, the officer swearing the affidavit states he is of the Homicide Investigations Bureau at the Directorate of Criminal Investigations headquarters. The officer at Mavoko made the application on that front, taking in mind that he's seeking a continued detention for investigations relating to the investigation being done by the Homicide Investigations Bureau. Therefore, it is a similar application based on a similar issue. Secondly, I will rely on the authority of the High Court at Nairobi, JWK versus IKE, E056 of 2023.
Repeat the citation again.
JWK versus IKE, High Court at Nairobi, Civil Appeal number E056 of 2023 by Justice Nyaonda. The court
Is it before me? Is it here in what has been supplied? You said it's a civil appeal.
Yeah, it's the civil appeal.
Yes, proceed.
On paragraph 9, it defines what an abuse of court process is. Justice Nyauti proceeds to state that situation may arise given rise to an abuse of court process are indeed many. It involves situations where a process of court has not been resorted to fairly, properly, honestly, to the detriment of the other party. And it continues to list various other situations, such as 9A, B, and H, where B reads instituting different actions between the same parties simultaneously in different courts, even though on different grounds. Paragraph H, where two actions are commenced, the second asking for a relief which may have been obtained in the first. The two applications do satisfy the listed grounds, which include an abuse of court process. The preliminary objection we have raised, as per the reputable case of Mukisa Biscuits, is a pure point of law which is determined on the face of the pleadings. And we are asking this court, as it retires, to look at the face of the pleadings, because we have not brought out on the merits of the application, but we have brought out on purely the face of the pleadings that the said officers swore on oath. Similarly, the said officer who arrested the suspect herein was shown the cash bail. The cash bail the accused person, the suspect, was issued at Mavoko. The cash bail is before you. And in his knowledge, did not consider that cash bail. It shows a quite disregard of the rule of law, disregard of the court orders of Mavoko, and the test for every pre-charge detention application, as was determined by Honorable Justice Ngugi Joel, the double test is that an officer, the state, must persuade the court that it is acting in absolute good faith. On the face of the application that will be before you, the officer has not made mention of the Mavoko case, because it is trying to hoodwink this court, misrepresent facts, misrepresent the law, and invite this court in engaging in its own abuse. Probably it is trying to put to test the judicial officer before it. And as the scripture says, do not test the Lord your God. The rest,